What's up, guys? So here is our next project. This is a WRX that we have that just got dropped off. If you guys seen the last few videos that this car was actually dropped off from the trailer. One of the tires was flat, and so we had to put a donut on it. But today we're gonna start off with this hood. As you can see, it's really oxidized, dried out. It's not as shiny as it should be, and that's just because the clear coat is failing. So typically, there's two ways of going about this. The first option is to get it polished and ceramic coated. But in this case, the hood is actually way worse than what we thought. So we're gonna be removing it and getting it resprayed, and that's the only way it's gonna look fresh and brand new again. Just got the hood off, and now we're actually going to take another hood, which is mine over there, and this one is in the same boat. With all this clear coat damage right here, it's gonna have to get sanded down and then resprayed. So we're gonna be taking both these two hoods over to the body shop. Alright guys, so we just dropped off the two hoods, and we're going to be showing you guys the process of restoring a carbon fiber hood, or any carbon fiber pieces for that matter.
Sick. And the Anthony's looks fucking amazing too.
That's like glass, dude. You can see
this
a reflection.
This is like ready for like PPF installation, like right now, bro. Like right now.
That's sick.
I know, this thing looks fucking amazing, Jack.
Looks like a new hood.
Pretty much. This looks like straight from the...
Damn, this is the same hood?
That's
crazy. Wow. Ooh, and it feels so good.
Fresh.
So they just sanded it, clear coated it?
Yeah, what they did too, I don't know if you can notice, they kind of tinted in these.
Oh yeah.
So it kind of makes it look like it's a deeper brown.
Dang, dude. So, if you got a messed up carbon fiber hood, you can get it done. You can have it restored. That's what we did here. Get it done. You can have it restored. Basically, when this car came to us, the hood looked like this. If you guys don't remember, it was oxidized, it was peeling, it looked really bad. In this case, with the mirror caps, we're not going to restore them like we did the hood. We're just going to replace those. But when you have a big carbon fiber hood like this, that's pretty rare from what I understand. I don't think you can get this hood anymore.
It's hard to get right now.
It's hard to get.
Because of the supply chain issues.
Right. I mean, it's probably a $1,200 or $1,500 hood.
Yeah.
So we were able to bring it back. We were able to restore it. If you guys have one that has the same problems this one did, we can help.
A couple of weeks since you guys have seen this. Actually, no, it's only been a couple seconds for you guys. It's only been a couple weeks for us because, you know, we've been having SEMA projects, other client cars, and all that good stuff. While this car has kind of been on the back burner, but we're back on it today. And actually, we're gonna get the canards and the carbon fiber spoiler redone. Now, we're not gonna have it redone like how we did the hood. We're actually gonna have Pat, aka Flossin, re-clear them? What the hell is that? What do you do to carbon? So we're gonna have Pat, aka Flossin, restore these pieces. They're gonna look amazing. We're gonna show you the whole process and how he actually does it. And then, if you guys don't know, this car is actually getting fully wrapped. There's a bunch of cool stuff that's gonna happen with this car. This car is gonna look completely different within a week. I promise you guys that. So I'm gonna get you guys out there with Pat right now. Bit of an issue with the wing. Basically Pat and Zach have to really get in there and really sand this thing down. So basically we need to take the thing apart so they can really get in there, because we obviously want this carbon looking as pristine as possible.
They have premiumautostyling. We have Jack taking part of wing. Right now he's using a socket double face bodied wrench. Only get at Harbor crates.
Jack.
An impact jack. I like that one. Actually,
An impact jack.
This is impact jack. only sold at our Harbor crates.
Only
not
for
freight.
like few Harbor Freights.
Yeah, Harbor crates, not freight.
We couldn't really bring these back to life because Pat was wet sanding them, but they're just pretty bad already. Cool.
So good. They're gonna look amazing. They're gonna look fantastic.
I just want to go home, watch Django, eat some soup.